Welcome back to the Dreamy Life Edit. This video is my March favorites. So the category number one is beauty, bath, and skincare. The very first product is that one high-end product that everybody on the internet have been raving about, and I finally got my hands on it. This is the Rhode Peptide Lip Treatment. This lip balm is the best lip balm that you can have for your lips. Of course, it's on the very steep side, but then the quality of this one is just amazing. Swatch is shown in the video here. Little thick, not too thick, but very comfortable. The next is the most beautiful product. This one I just love. The fragrance of this is just unmatched. You cannot have any other bath and body product that comes even a little bit closer to this one. It is a body scrub by Dove in the pomegranate variant. Just have to wet a little bit your skin and apply this scrub. Gently massage it over to your skin. This is for those days when you want that self-care and exfoliate your skin. It's not too harsh as an exfoliator. Leaves your skin very soft, supple. You can just wash it off with water. And this one is just the perfect scrub that's there in the market. And every influencer has been raving about it, and rightly so. This one is just amazing. I'm just rubbing it onto my skin, you can see, and you just have to wash it. So now the next category is fashion category. The first product is that one basic that you need for the elevated basics look in your wardrobe. This is by Zara. These are the flats, a very good tan color. This color is just perfect with every outfit in the summers, especially if you have a brown bag. You just need these flats. It's very comfortable, and you can wear it on the daily. It's a very chic piece, just one thing that you need in your wardrobe, and it's just perfect. This top by H&M is the butter yellow, the color of the season. I've been loving this top this March. Amazing. So my favorite category, food and beverages. Okay, so these are all healthy products. This ragi chips desi masala variant is just too good. It's not fried. It has been baked, and this company Snackable makes some good snacks. It's very yummy. I have a little guest, my little cousin, who's going to approve this. This ice cream from -30, you can get it on Swiggy. You can get it on Blinkit as well. This just has 42 calories, the perfect hazelnut flavor. Yummy ice cream is that one guilt-free ice cream that I've been enjoying. So as summers are approaching, these are just perfect to have. My most favorite sparkling water. For those of you who don't know, it's just a 0-calorie thing. With summers approaching, we need something which is great, refreshing. We want something. So this sparkling water, it's in the green apple variant. I'm adding some amount of black salt, a little bit of mint leaves crushed with some ice, and you just have to pour this. It is just like a mojito. It tastes amazing. This has 0 calories, absolutely no calories, no sugar, and still a very healthier alternative to all the sodas and the cold drinks that we have in the summers. Try it once on my recommendation, and you're going to love it. Approved by the little one. She loves it. Now we have the top shows. This one Pakistani drama, Dil Wali Gali Mein. This has been the most amazing drama that I've been seeing. The story revolves around so much that happens in the society. A young couple who faces so many clashes amongst themselves because of the family, because of the the surroundings, the circumstances, and yet it's such a soft, beautiful story where the men in the family are very supportive, the women who take stand for themselves. It's a very modern story, soft story, but has a lot of meaning attached to it. This story started on the 1st of March, and until 31st of March they've been uploading multiple episodes. It has concluded now, but I would just say that this has to be the most favorite drama, Pakistani drama, one of the most favorites that I've ever watched. You must try it. It was a Ramzan special series, but an amazing drama. Every single day, the only thing I used to watch is this drama, and it has kept me really interested. Amazing. You must give this drama a try and let me know how did you like it. Alright guys, these were all my March favorites. All the products that I've mentioned will be linked down below. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you like this video, you know the drill. Like, comment, share and subscribe. Bye.